Like, this is perfect for travel. Lord. Let's get packing. Hello lovely people, it's been a minute. Thanks for joining me. If you're new here, my name is Amira and I am currently getting ready to head to Alaska on an Alaskan cruise. Super different, not really your typical like tropical cruise vibe. We've done like the Caribbean before, but this is like nice to kind of have a different vibe, see a different kind of scenery. Booked this trip back in January and since then we've been kind of getting it together, getting ready. So I have like an entire Notion document here dedicated to planning the trip. Basically it's just so that I don't forget anything and making sure that we have all our information in one central place. We don't have to keep like toggling back and forth between different apps and like booking links and stuff. All the information for when we need to get, where we need to get is there. I just have to pull it up and we're good to go. I'm gonna show you the template. So this is the template that I am using. So up here we have all of the logistics basically. So we have the flight info, cruise info, lodging info, the lodging that we're doing before we get on the cruise, once we fly there, and then after we get off the boat, once we come back, before we fly out and head back home. And then we have our before trip to do, so basically anything that I could think of that I needed to buy, things I needed to do, things I needed to book. And then we have a packing list here, segmented, so when I'm gonna go through and start packing, I'll kind of utilize this to make sure I'm not forgetting anything. And then any travel day necessities, so I kind of have a running list just to double check what I need to make sure that I have when I'm heading there, about to leave, and then when I'm coming back to make sure that I didn't forget anything. We have any resources that I come by, like any apps that I found useful for planning, etc. And then here we kind of have a loose itinerary. I did it as a board view by port or city, but also by calendars. This is kind of like a loose skeleton. We have the departure times of the ships. I have like some of the excursions booked and noted here. It's looking pretty sparse because we didn't fill in everything. So a lot of the trip planning stuff I have here, down here in this section. So for example, when we get to places where we haven't really booked a big excursion like Ketchikan, we have different things that we're kind of looking at. And then once we figure out what we want to do, we'll just add it to our itinerary. When you click on, for example, our excursion, it'll just have like the activity type divided into these categories here, and then the port, the date, the location, what we're wearing. So that's what I basically am using to organize my whole trip. Just sit in that template. I will add it to my little Notion template site, completely free. Just click the link. It's gonna be a blank template, but if you're interested in the things that we do, if like you're going on a similar kind of trip, I will leave the completed template with like the packing list, like where we stayed. I'll add it after we come back. So I'm gonna get packing and we're gonna do a little haul. I took advantage of Amazon Prime Day, of course, baby, you know I had to. I got some BEIS luggage as well, so I'm actually excited because it's very basic but very cute, like a very cute beige nude aesthetic I have going on. I'm matching my airport outfit with it. Yeah, no, it's a lot, like the whole thing. I want to be cute while I travel. So first things first, the luggage. I got a few pieces from BEIS. The large roller luggage. It's very nice. I got the protective cover for it as well. It rolls on all four sides, like 360 wheel. It has this little cushion here for when you grab it, which is very nice. Little pull out where you can kind of hang your stuff on. And then this is kind of full with like just random stuff that I collected just to get it out of the way. So I'm gonna open her up. So I got a few stuff here that I kind of just threw in here from Amazon. So this is the luggage bag. Basically this can unclip. It's very roomy in here. We have this little divider. It's in here like a nice separator. These little compartments here, very soft material, and then another plastic compartment, and then you have, you know, the little bags here. I guess these are like laundry bags. This is very cute. Dirt bag and not basic. Very cute, so I'm gonna kind of utilize this probably for dirty clothes. But I also got the everyday cosmetic case basically from BEIS. So we will be utilizing this. It comes with this little mirror, which I think is super cute. So it is double-sided. We'll see how much I end up fitting. I also got a few more toiletry bags as well. So I also got our mini weekender here. I have a pocket. This is the convertible mini weekender. So this whole thing does come off. I'm not gonna take the whole thing off, but it does come off, as you can see. And then the little mesh bag for your shoes. Probably end up putting like my toiletries and stuff down in this compartment, because I think my shoes will go in my checked luggage, this big roller here. We have a little pocket here, and then you can also unzip here and just kind of slide it through your suitcase. Very functional. I just love this gold detailing, like how cute. In here, she is very roomy child. Like this, you have a strap that I probably won't use. I'll probably just carry it by little handles here. But I like this because when you open it up, it's like it has this bone wiring, so it holds its shape. Very roomy. You have several compartments in here. This large compartment. And then I don't know why I did this, but I have I think it's like a 14-inch MacBook Pro. So my little laptop can fit in this convertible laptop case, which also comes with its own little mini compartments as well. So I like how that slips right in here. It looks like from this angle, very, very roomy, spacious, and this like bone structure like opens up like literally a box. So this is gonna be cute. We're gonna just go through what we got for a haul. This is my cord organizer. Also, I like got the TikTok thing. I just bought like a charging hub. I will put that to the side. I got this little Sony speaker, partially just for me because I like to shower with music. So this is waterproof, so it can just kind of stick on my windowsill. But I think I'm also gonna pack this as well. So I got this little toiletry bag. This is also that beige, black, and gold. Everything is matching. You know, I gotta travel in style. I also got these packing cubes. So it comes with like a few. So hopefully this will provide me more space. Yeah, I have this travel jewelry case as well that I got from Amazon. You can fit some earrings here, some rings, probably other earrings. So necklaces I can hang here as well, and they can just kind of fit in this little pocket. So very functional as well. But I'm bringing my camera, this camera that I'm using, my Sony ZV-E10. Just this little camera bag here. So it's pretty spacious actually. So when I were going on our excursions, I can bring this. There's like another compartment here. Cute, and it's pretty compact. And like my camera isn't large either, so this will be good just to carry, and it has this little strap as well. The other thing I bought was this. So when we go hiking, etc., this in combination with like the camera bag, I can just carry these two and be good to go. And then this is actually what I needed because I don't really have very heavy coats because I live in South Florida. So when it's raining, this will be good. It has this little Velcro thing to adjust for your wrists, and then it has like a nice collar. It zips all the way up, a couple of pockets, and then it has a nice hood. I tried it on. It does have this little collar, and then you can pull it so that it's tight around your face. We got these gloves. I just got thin gloves. Obviously this isn't gonna stop much if it's like under like 40 degrees or 30 degrees or so, but like in terms of just a thin, like I think they said that when you get up to the deck it can kind of get chilly. So I got these, and has like a little touch screen here. Just very thin gloves. And then I just got these hiking boots. I think this is gonna be good for like when we do our little glacier wild life quest thing, that excursion. This will be a good shoe to have. So in terms of more tech, I got this little like selfie stick. It's Bluetooth remote controlled. Has a little Bluetooth remote that you can just flop on here. It's like the actual selfie stick part, so you can kind of bend it. Also got a tripod. This is the one that I'm using right now, standing you guys up on. It's very skinty, so I don't know for the terrain if it's going to protect my camera, because I feel like if the wind blows any which way, I need a new camera. So I got this, but it's still compact enough. Like, it's just thick. She's just a thick girl. At the bottom, like, they have the little knobs here that I attach. Like, if the terrain is unstable, basically, I think those would be good. And like, these are thick and it snaps like this. So I think we'll be good. What else did I get? So, oh, all the stuff that beauty products. This is the Camille Rose Chebane Black Castor Oil. And then I got these vitamin C masks, just picked up really quickly from CVS. And then I got these eye masks. I just got some lashes to take with me. Ooh, I got this Clarins lip oil, which is like actually bomb. I tried it. It smells so good. It doesn't taste like anything though. Like I'd want to eat my lips, but alas. Jack Black lip balm. I have like 2 other ones scattered about, like one in my car, one in my other purse, but I just got a new one. It's SPF 25. This is the lemon and shea butter one. I got this beauty blender cleanser, basically just like a brush and sponge cleaner. And this has the scrub mat in it and then the soap, so it's compact. I went there to Sephora and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna splurge on perfumes. This is just the Libre Le Parfum. Smells so good. I'm not taking this with me. I just wanted it to come back to. I had the Brazilian, like the original one, the orange one, but all the girls are getting this one and it smells cute. So I've never tried the replica perfumes, but I just got this as a travel spray because I'm obviously traveling. This is bubble bath. I'm actually gonna spray some on there. I got these, you know, I love a Saint Laurent. So this is the Black Opium and the Libre. Like this is perfect for travel. Lord. Anyway, so that's what I got from Sephora. I have also got this from Amazon, these little travel squeezy tube, nude, basic, matches the aesthetic. So I got this DEET-free insect repellent and I'm gonna just take one of this. Let's start packing. weight monitor is saying over 50. So I'm gonna grab my scale to see how much over 50 I am. Alrighty, so I am all packed and ready to go. I am starving. I'm just gonna finish up some last minute things and then we gonna go. But thank you so much for watching. Like I said, I will leave all the links of everything I got, my template for packing that I was kind of going through and checking off everything. I will leave all that good stuff down below. And if you like this video, then maybe you'd like to see some of my other organization videos that I will have linked at the end of this video. And I will see you in Alaska. So thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye.